others may think that there is an overlap with the functions of the Philippine Coast Guard. When it comes to territorial waters, inland waters, law enforcement functions should be lodged with the Maritime Command. At nakakalungkot po, Mr. Chairman, narinig natin, ang headquarters ng Philippine Maritime Command ay nasa Camp Crame sa EDSA. It reminds me, no offense to all our friends here, including the good secretary, it reminds me of the situation in Bolivia. Bolivia has a very strong navy, but unfortunately, Bolivia doesn't have a sea or access to the sea because Bolivia is landlocked. So the Marina de Bolivia they have a big navy, bigger than the Philippine Navy, but they don't have access to the sea. Tayo naman, yung ating Maritime Command, nasa Crame. So Mr. Chairman, I would propose at the appropriate time that we increase the budget of the Philippine National Police Maritime Command, including the establishment of a base headquarters. Somewhere out there, somewhere in Zambales, somewhere in Palawan, somewhere in where the oil spills would always occur in Oriental Mindoro or somewhere near Negros or Guimaras. Dapat po nasa dagat sila. Hindi po nasa EDSA. Minsan lang po bumaha sa EDSA nung umulan 2 weeks ago. No offense. But if there is a unit here which would require a bigger capital outlay, it is the PNP Maritime Command. They enforce navigation laws. They enforce fishing regulations. They enforce pollution control laws. In fact, my feeling is that they will be part of the investigation relative to the collision, the ramming incident which occurred early this morning. It's not just the Navy, kasali po doon ang Philippine Maritime Command. They will assist the Philippine Coast Guard, doon sa investigasyon na nangyari kanina malapit sa Baho de Masinloc na 3 namatay, na Fisher Fox. With this, Mr. Chairman, at the appropriate time, I would propose for the creation of a realistic base headquarters for the PNP Maritime Command. Dapat nasa dagat po sila. Nasa dagat po sila, hindi po sa EDSA. Ang malapit lang pong na dagat doon sa Camp Crame is San Juan River, na pwede na lakaran. Joke lang po yun, pero dapat po magkaroon ng sariling headquarters somewhere in Palawan or Zambales. Dapat mo magkaroon ng sariling malalaking barko ang atin pong PNP Maritime Command. Not at perhaps at this early stage with the Philippine Coast Guard, but enough to patrol our territorial waters. So, Mr. Chairman, yun po yung manifestation ko, and as the committee moves forward in its budget deliberations, I would propose an increase for the budget of the PNP Maritime Command. Not just rubber boats. Ang rubber boats po, pang rescue lang po yun ng mga LGUs. Hindi po aabot yun ng Baho de Masinloc. Dapat po talaga merong seacraft, seaworthy vessels na maipagmamalaki ng ating kapulisan.